guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I built this beautiful nightstands, both nightstands on each side. I got both items from Walmart and I had to assemble them myself with the help of my boyfriend, of course. So stay tuned to watch me basically put it together and for the finished look. Thanks guys. Hey guys, so I started making the nightstands and I said, why not just record me doing it? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Record myself making the nightstand. Let's go.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. There's nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show you I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Ooh, coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine.
pretty much done now with the dresser. Actually, I'm like 95% done. I just need to bang in the white backboard on it, but I'm not going to do it right now because it's pretty late and I don't want to be banging anything. So yeah, let's see the 98% finished product. I love it, you guys. And as you guys can see, the dressers match very good with this dresser. So yeah, a lot more work to do, but we're gonna get there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for the next one. Maybe I'll do some home decor and probably show you guys the final product of the bedroom. Stay tuned. Bye, guys.
Hey, B, can I sit on it? Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Yes, baby.
I missed you too.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
How about you, baby Yoda?
Yes, Papa, I miss you.
They're gonna hear you on my channel.
You got something recording in here, baby?
Yes, I'm recording.
Oh. Hey.
What are you doing? Oh my God.